We may have been completely wrong about the axolotl, and the reason is almost impossible. This small amphibian can lose a leg and grow an entirely new one. Bones, muscles, blood vessels, nerves. Even parts of its brain can rebuild themselves, which led scientists to ask an uncomfortable question. If an animal on Earth can rebuild its own body so perfectly, what else about life have we misunderstood? A body that never grows up. At first glance, the axolotl looks unfinished, almost like an animal that never finished developing. Frilly external gills extend from the sides of its head like soft red feathers. Its body stays smooth and aquatic. Its eyes remain wide and almost permanently curious. In most amphibians, this stage is temporary. A tadpole becomes a frog. A larval salamander eventually climbs onto land. But the axolotl never makes that transition. It stays in its larval form for its entire life. Scientists call this neoteny, reaching adulthood without completing the normal transformation. The animal becomes capable of reproduction, while still looking like a juvenile. It's a strange strategy. Why would evolution allow an animal to remain permanently young? The answer begins in the ancient waterways of Lake Xochimilco. For thousands of years, this region formed a network of shallow canals and wetlands. Food was abundant, water remained stable, and predators were relatively limited. Most amphibians leave the water to survive. But here, leaving offered no advantage. Staying aquatic was safer. So evolution did something unusual. Instead of completing the transformation to land, the process simply stopped halfway. The axolotl kept the body of a larva, but gained the reproductive abilities of an adult, a permanent childhood. And that decision came with a hidden benefit. Because animals in early developmental stages possess biological abilities adults often lose, the axolotl never grows out of them, which means it kept something extraordinary, an ability most animals abandoned millions of years ago. And in a few minutes, we'll see why that unusual biology has made the axolotl one of the most studied animals in modern laboratories. The Regeneration Machine. Imagine losing an arm, not injuring it, completely losing it. Now imagine watching that arm slowly grow back, bone forming first. Then muscle fibers weave themselves together, blood vessels branching outward like tiny trees, and nerves reconnecting with perfect precision. For the axolotl, this is normal. It loses a limb, and within weeks the rebuilding begins. But that's only the beginning. When regeneration starts, cells near the wound transform into something called a blastoma. This cluster of cells behaves almost like an embryo. They forget what they used to be: skin cells, muscle cells, bone cells. All of them return to a flexible, primitive state. Then they rebuild the missing structure from scratch. If a leg disappears, a leg grows back. If a tail is lost, the tail returns. Even parts of the spinal cord can regenerate. Sections of the brain can repair damaged connections, which, according to modern biology, shouldn't be possible. And the most surprising part? There is almost no scarring. For humans, scars are the cost of healing. But the axolotl heals as if the injury never happened. Scientists have studied this ability for decades. In some experiments, axolotls regenerated the same limb 5 separate times, and each time, the limb worked perfectly, each one structurally identical to the original. So the obvious question emerges: if evolution already solved regeneration, why did most animals lose it? Why can a salamander rebuild an entire limb, while humans struggle to repair damaged nerves? The answer may lie hidden inside the axolotl's DNA. But regeneration isn't the strangest thing about the axolotl, because scientists discovered something even harder to explain. In a moment, we'll see how that discovery led scientists to uncover something hidden deep inside the axolotl's DNA. The healing code. For more than a century, the axolotl has quietly lived inside research laboratories, not as a curiosity, but as a model organism for studying regeneration. Scientists working in regenerative medicine have long suspected that the axolotl's abilities may reveal something fundamental about healing. The species possesses one of the largest genomes ever sequenced, around 32 billion DNA base pairs. That's roughly 10 times larger than the human genome. Somewhere inside that enormous genetic library may be the instructions that allow cells to rebuild entire body parts. Researchers have already begun uncovering pieces of the puzzle. Certain genes activate only when regeneration begins. Others control how tissues grow without forming tumors. In 2018, scientists successfully mapped the full axolotl genome, one of the largest sequencing projects ever completed for an animal. It was a major breakthrough, but it also revealed how much we still don't understand, because knowing the genetic code is only the first step. Understanding how those genes interact is far more complicated, and that mystery leads to an even deeper question. Is the axolotl doing something fundamentally different from the rest of the animal kingdom? Or does it simply retain abilities other species lost long ago? The evolutionary outlier. Most animals face a trade-off between growth and repair. Rapid cell division can rebuild tissue, but it also increases the risk of cancer. Evolution usually prioritizes stability over repair. The axolotl appears to have found a rare balance. It can trigger massive cellular growth without losing control of the process. Cells rebuild complex structures, then stop at exactly the right moment. It's a level of biological precision scientists still struggle to replicate. Some researchers believe this ability is tied directly to the axolotl's permanent larval state. Because its body remains partially in a developmental mode, certain genetic programs never fully shut down, programs that other animals deactivate after early growth. That may explain why axolotls can regenerate limbs, spinal tissue, even sections of the brain, but the deeper scientists investigate, the more unusual the animal becomes. Because its biology doesn't just challenge medicine, it challenges how we think evolution works. And it raises an unsettling possibility. What if the axolotl is not a rare exception, but a glimpse of something evolution once allowed many animals to do? The scientific paradox. For decades, the axolotl was described as a biological oddity, a strange amphibian trapped in permanent adolescence. But the more scientists study it, the more that description feels incomplete. Because the axolotl may not be unusual for what it gained. It may be unusual for what it never lost. Early vertebrates likely possessed far greater regenerative abilities than modern animals. Over millions of years, those abilities slowly faded as immune systems grew more complex and cancer risks increased. Perfect regeneration became harder to maintain, so most evolutionary branches abandoned it. The axolotl simply held on to something ancient, a biological toolkit other species left behind. And that raises a fascinating possibility. The mechanisms required for regeneration may still exist, dormant inside the DNA of many animals, including us. If scientists can understand how the axolotl activates those pathways, something remarkable could happen. Damaged spinal cords might repair themselves. Even failing organs might regenerate instead of being replaced. And the axolotl is not just a curiosity of nature, it's a living glimpse of what biology might still be capable of, which changes the way scientists see this small amphibian. Because the real mystery is no longer how the axolotl regenerates. The real mystery is why the rest of us cannot. If you enjoy discovering animals that survive in unexpected ways, you might also like our video about why walruses choose what looks like the worst possible strategy to survive in the Arctic's deadliest storms. But the axolotl reveals a different kind of survival mystery. At first glance, the axolotl looks fragile, a soft amphibian drifting quietly through murky water. But beneath that calm surface lies one of the most extraordinary biological systems on Earth, a body that can rebuild itself, a genome filled with unanswered instructions, and a reminder that evolution does not always move in a straight line. But the truth may be even stranger, and somewhere inside that lost ability could be the future of medicine, or the next discovery still waiting beneath the surface of life on Earth. The axolotl might just be the first clue.